Wait, before you buy any VR or MR headset in 2026, stop for 10 seconds. Because one wrong decision can waste thousands of dollars. Today, I'll compare Apple Vision Pro and Meta Quest 3 based on real usage. After this, you'll know which one is worth your money. Apple Vision Pro is a high-end spatial computer, while Meta Quest 3 is a VR-first headset with MR features. Design-wise, Apple uses premium aluminum and glass, but it's heavy, up to 650 grams. Meta Quest 3 is lighter, plastic-based, and weighs only 515 grams. One is a futuristic workstation, the other is an accessible gaming powerhouse. Stay tuned to find out which fits your life. Like and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more. In long usage, weight matters a lot. Many users on forums and reviews complain that Vision Pro feels heavy after 30 to 40 minutes. Neck fatigue is real with Vision Pro if you are not seated. Meta Quest 3 feels more balanced for standing and moving sessions. If you plan long gaming or fitness sessions, Meta Quest 3 wins on comfort. Now let us talk about display quality. This is where Apple destroys everyone. Vision Pro uses micro OLED displays. Each eye gets around 3600 by 3200 resolution. The clarity is insane. Text looks like printed paper. Movies look like a private cinema screen. Meta Quest 3 uses LCD panels. Resolution per eye is around 2064 by 2208. It is sharp, but not Vision Pro sharp. You can still see slight pixel structure if you look closely. Brightness and color accuracy on Vision Pro are much better. Black levels are true black because OLED turns off pixels completely. Quest 3 blacks look slightly gray in dark scenes. Now let us talk about field of view. Meta Quest 3 has a wider field of view. This makes games and movement feel more immersive. Vision Pro feels slightly narrower, especially vertically. Next is pass-through and mixed reality quality. Apple Vision Pro has the best pass-through camera system available today. Real world looks almost natural. Hand tracking feels magical. Latency is very low. Meta Quest 3 has good pass-through, but not perfect. You can see noise, distortion, and depth errors sometimes. Text on your phone is readable, but not crystal clear. Apple Vision Pro pass-through feels like you are looking through clear glass. Now let us talk about performance and processing power. Apple Vision Pro uses Apple M2 chip and R1 chip. This is laptop-class performance. Apps open instantly. Multitasking is smooth. Meta Quest 3 uses Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chip. This is powerful for a standalone VR headset. Games run smoothly, but it cannot match laptop-level multitasking like Vision Pro. For productivity, Vision Pro is clearly ahead. You can open multiple floating screens. You can connect a Mac wirelessly. You can work with keyboards and trackpads easily. Quest 3 can do productivity, but it feels limited. Virtual monitors exist, but resolution and stability are not ideal for long work. Now let us talk about ecosystem and apps. This is extremely important. Apple Vision Pro currently has limited native apps. Most apps are iPad apps running in floating windows. There are amazing demos, but not enough killer apps yet. Meta Quest 3 has a massive VR game library. Thousands of games, fitness apps, social apps, VR chat, Beat Saber, Population 1, Asgard's Wrath. If you want gaming and fun, Quest 3 wins easily. If you want movies, productivity, and premium experience, Vision Pro wins. Now let us talk about controllers versus hand tracking. Vision Pro does not have controllers. Everything is hand tracking and eye tracking. It feels futuristic, but it is not perfect for precision tasks. Quest 3 has controllers and hand tracking. Controllers are still superior for gaming. Hand tracking on Quest 3 is improving, but not Apple level. For serious gaming, controllers matter. For casual interaction, Apple's eye and hand system feels magical. Now let us talk about battery life. Apple Vision Pro has an external battery. It lasts around 2 hours. You must keep the battery connected always. Meta Quest 3 has internal battery. It lasts around 2 to 3 hours depending on usage. You can add a battery strap easily. Quest 3 feels more flexible for movement. Vision Pro feels more wired and controlled. Now let us talk about price. This is where reality hits hard. Apple Vision Pro starts at $3,499. Accessories cost extra. Meta Quest 3 starts at $499. Even fully accessorized, it stays under $1,000. For most people, Vision Pro is not affordable. It is an early adopter device. It is more like a developer and enthusiast product. Quest 3 is for mass market users. Gamers, fitness users, social VR users. Now let us talk about real-world use cases. If you are a developer, filmmaker, designer, or Apple ecosystem power user, Vision Pro makes sense. If you want a private cinema, Vision Pro is unbeatable. If you want gaming, exercise, and social VR, Quest 3 is the obvious choice. Let me share some practical tricks and tips now. If you buy Vision Pro, always use the dual loop strap for better weight distribution. Use it seated for long sessions. Pair it with a Mac for real productivity. Reduce brightness slightly to improve comfort. If you buy Quest 3, invest in a better head strap immediately. Enable 90 Hz refresh rate for smoother experience. Use room scale boundary properly for safety. Clean lenses regularly to avoid blur. For motion sickness, reduce movement speed and settings. Take breaks every 20 minutes. Use a fan in the room for comfort. Now let us answer the biggest question: which one should you buy? If money is not an issue and you want the most advanced mixed reality experience available today, choose Apple Vision Pro. If you want maximum value, gaming, and fun for the price, choose Meta Quest 3. There is no absolute winner. There is only the right device for your use case. In the future, Vision Pro will become lighter and cheaper. Quest will improve display quality. But today, this is the honest comparison. If this video helped you, please like this video. Share it with friends who are confused between Vision Pro and Quest 3. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more deep and practical tech comparisons. If you have any questions, comment below and I will reply within 1 hour. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.